fucking smash guards.
Yeah. Fuck you. It's real BMX.
Someone's wearing a helmet. It's early in the morning. Got the crew up. We're gonna do a bike check. Ashton's looking sexy. Bike check. Oh, my knees. Let's keep going. Okay.
6.5 hours later.
Da-na-na-na-na. What the fuck? I've never even seen that on my bike. Come look at this. There's a sticker here. Look, right here. What's it say?
Warning,
Advanced
playground.
Trader. Advanced trader.
I'm pretty sure
That's why you wear your helmets! I just smacked my head there. That's why you wear your helmets,
I'm
kids.
pretty sure it says warning, do not throw off playground.
Yeah, over here. Always hold your bike like this, don't hold it anywhere else.
Because that way if you fall over, your sprocket hits you in the dick.
Where'd that come from?
I feel like that's not going to work. I feel like... No, wait, do this. Since your bar's turned, have this peg over this side.
I'll sit on it. Fuck! It's all on my bike.
Oh, it's staying.
Yeah.
You don't even need
Have it in a 50-50.
No, it is, you dickhead. It's an opposite.
This is the Locky, isn't it?
That's not lucky.
Let's get lucky.
Film. Okay, well,
So,
come to the top of the skate park.
I feel like I just wanted to name it.
Actually, you know what? We should have done 50-50 in the first place. Bike check. We got some ODI long necks cut down, nice and sandy in there. Some aftermarket ODI white bar-ins. Some total K2 Bumblebee bars. We got a Colony stem. We got some Starhawks.
What headset you got in there?
A headset. There's probably no headset in there. There wasn't. I got Action's headset in there now, probably. Do I?
Yeah.
Because I didn't put that in there. You guys put that in there. I got a kink whip frame. It's nice and sexy. I like to fuck it at night times. I got one black crank from Rebel. I got another kink whip chrome crank. I got a kink pedal this side. I've got an Odyssey pedal. Here I've got some pegs. They have completely worn down.
Division.
Yeah, some Division pegs. Thank you. Yeah. I've got on the front wheel. We've got some Sunday street sweepers. We got a Salt. What's this called? A Salt hub. Yeah. It's nice and rusty. I got it from a friend. Fuck you, Hunter. This thing's a piece of shit. It's my other one still his. We got a kink back hub, free coaster. Hear this? That means it's free coaster. So just saying. Wait, I said that kink, right? I got a
That's a mission, dick shit.
a Mission chain.
No, that's a mission fucking head hub.
I got a Mission hub. A rusty chain. That's what it's called.
I think it'd be a king chain.
Shut up, it's a Mission chain. And that's about it. That's my bike check. Look at this monstrous person coming in. Faster! Faster! Oh shit! Is that a free bike?
Fuck!
Do it again. Do it again, dude. Do it again. What's this bike check come to?
Shit.
What is this?
Staying home tonight? Hell yeah, I'm staying home tonight.
Hell yeah, he is. Do it, dude. Dude! Fucking sick, dude. Ben, do it, dude. Oh my god, dude.
Oh, we get it. You can
Fuck you, Ben. Oh! Ride, Ashton, ride! Oh! Seki! Whoa! Stop! Cars! I'm going, not even looking. Look left, camera. Look left. Look at this, no hander. Oh fuck me, that scared the shit out of me. Oh, that was hot.
Who's your friend?
Oh! Is that poop? Dude, is that poop? Is that poop?
Bike check.
Alright, it's getting nice and close to this, mate. We're in the middle of the fucking tunnels.
Oh, we named the parts now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I got the Sunday Scout frame.
Yeah.
The Sunday Scout forks.
Yeah.
Colt butter pegs. Just 2 of them.
Look at them.
You got the Sunday wheels.
When did you buy this?
Yesterday.
Yesterday, yeah.
Yeah. So we've got the Odyssey. Hold on, which ones are they? I can't even read this shit.
Yeah, this is
They're the Odyssey
this is from
Path
factory,
Pro.
by the way.
Yeah, these
Yeah.
are Odyssey Path Pro tires. You got the Odyssey fucking
Pedals.
pedals. Yeah, I can't think.
Or cranks.
Cranks, the Sunday cranks.
Sunday
yeah.
cranks.
FSA headset, Sunday stem. We got the Sunday bars and the
Odyssey grips.
Odyssey with Rockford signature grips with the Sunday bar rims.
Alright.
Yeah. Oh, we got the KMC chain.
Sweet as.
Yeah, but you got the videos, bro. You already got what you want, kind of.
Not a happy camper.
What's up, man?
No, bro, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Look. Bro, I'm sorry.
He legit just fucking pumped.
Yeah, I know. I said, what do you mean? You told us.
It's fake, bro. Oh, well, yeah. Bike check!
You gotta say it, otherwise we'll beat your ass.
Well, he didn't say it.
Otherwise, yes, he did.
Fuck Ben. VMs are mine. Beano Station. Don't even know who drew this. So the VMs are here, mate.
Yep.
You want them? Take them. They're this year.
Fuck.
Windaroo Activity Park.
I reckon say it, man. Say it. Bike check.
Bike check! Woo!
Alright, get your bike down.
Fucking it's his turn, not yours.
Oh shit. Okay.
So this is
You
my,
just wrecked a $1,700 bike like
Yeah.
that.
this is my We the People 2019 battleship.
Where'd you get it from?
Lux Bmx. Actually, no, this is 2018.
What's hot
Free
on there?
promos
Yeah.
for Lux BMX.
Right, so this is the battleship frame.
Yeah.
Put in the mint green colour. Got the clit stem.
Yeah, do that thing.
Got my We the People Envy bars.
No, it's flat bars.
No, they're We the People bars actually. Yeah.
Okay, keep going. Tires.
Yeah. I got the Vans car tires in black. Oh shit.
Ah.
Got a clat grips, Federal Byrons, We the People seat, a clat pegs. Don't know what the fuck is that.
What chain you got there, buddy?
Odyssey.
You got a garden and everything?
Odyssey.
Or a hot
What
garden?
about? Got my Odyssey Bluebird. Got my clat guard on the chain.
What
Fuck.
cranks you got?
Thanks, still just a clat.
Yeah, what about your pedals?
Someone's a bit boring.
I know,
Fuck me
right?
dead. We got the bevs.
Huh?
Ben's the plug, got the bevs.
Are you filming it?
Yeah.
Are
Watch
you gonna
this.
ride in there? No.
Good? Can I go?
Are you doing it now? Ride in IPA. Yeah. Chicks in there like run like this girl, like you're savage.
Hurry up. I'm gonna do it on the way. We're gonna do it on the way. Pepperoni pizza.
Pepperoni pizza.
Pepperoni pizza. But. Oh. But. Yes, Daniel. Yes, boy. Yes, hands.
You're sexual, bro. You dick up my arse.
No, that's my thigh. James is an idiot. You record that?
I want you. That skirt is nice, bro. The amount of water that came off.
I paid like 300 for it and it cost like
Oh shit!
Hold your fucking slide.